guys, so it's Hannah here, and today I'm going to bring to you a vintage makeup tutorial and maybe a hair tutorial. It might be in a different video, but since I'm not really doing anything and I thought about what I should do for a new video, I thought that this would be a great idea. I'm playing music. I hope it's not too loud. Okay, I turned it down a bit. I don't know if it's too quiet. But we'll see. So I have gotten inspiration from a lot of YouTubers and some pictures and videos, and it's just really simple. What I'm going to do first is pin my hair, and I really love like the 40s and 50s, and I mean I love a whole bunch of different styles. As you can see by my Instagram, that is going to be down below. I don't know, I just love a lot of different looks and eras, and I don't know, it's just what I like. Okay, so since I'm not really doing my hair, I'm just going to for right now, pin some of my hair back. These all come in different sizes. I got them off of Amazon for like $8.99, and there's like 60 of them in different lengths. Like there's a long one, this I think is the smallest, and then there's like a medium-sized one somewhere. I'm ready. What I will start with are the eyes, because for some reason I've changed up my routine of putting makeup on. I've now started with like the eyeshadow and eyebrows, and then done the foundation and concealer. I think I'm actually going to use, it's very messy, my Morphe palette, 35M. Yeah, don't know what that means, but it's like Boss Mood. And it has all these colors. It's very cool. Very colorful. I like using a lot of colors as of now, but I really wanted the James Charles palette, but it's sold out completely. What I'm going to use is this eyeshadow brush. I got like a kit of eyeshadow and like other different brushes like this. Whenever I was trying to do a yard sale and no one wanted the brushes and they weren't used, they were new, and they're just like, here's some brushes. There you go. I realized I started with the wrong palette. I'm actually going to be starting with this Urban Decay Nocturnal Shadow Box palette. With this light cream shade. First, I'm going to spray my face with this Mario Badescu Skincare facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. But what I'm going to do is put like this really light shade on the top. It's basically a highlighter, but you know, we just gotta use what we're working with. It's gonna make it look lighter than it actually is, and also really, really pretty. And yes, this is from acne. I have lots of acne right now, but you know, it's normal. It happens. Next, I'm going to do this light brown shade right here. In the inner eye socket-ish area, I guess you could say. Okay, that is it for right now. I'm going to fix it up later. I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'll be right back. It takes a little while to do them, so I don't want you guys to wait for me to do that. Okay, so I fixed up my eyeshadow and did my brows. They're not the best, but nobody's perfect. Now I will be doing my foundation and concealer. Spraying with more spray. Okay, so that's the foundation. And now for the concealer, which I do that afterwards so that I look a little bit more awake. Okay, so now it's time for blush, which I use the Rouge from Ben Nye, which is what I've gotten out of a stage makeup kit, because it's what we use on stage. And also, back then, they used Rouge for cheeks and just to liven up the skin and make you look awake. And then going over it a little bit with my beauty blender. And don't come at me about my beauty blender. Please don't. Now I'm going to do mascara. And I'm going to curl the lashes. Now I'll be doing lipstick. Okay, so I'm running out of this lipstick, which makes me very sad because it's so cute. But I have another one, and these are both from the Balm collection called Meet Matte Hues, and it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick. They're both very cute and vintage looking. This one is called Devoted, and this one is called Adoring. So this is a more darker red. This is basically what the makeup looks like. I'm going to take my hair down, even though, you know, this isn't what I would usually do with my hair for a vintage style. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. Just a very pretty red lip and some soft looking light colored eyes and some mascara. No eyeliner. I don't know really how to do eyeliner. I'm not the best at it. And some blush to make some rosy cheeks and to make you look alive. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I will probably do a vintage haul, or maybe I'll give you a little video about like what outfit I would wear with this type of makeup, or maybe I'll do a hair tutorial soon. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you ever have done this makeup look or tried out this look. Just let me know by tagging me in it. Maybe post it on Instagram, send it to me, or however you would like to let me know. So yeah, give me some suggestions for videos to come. So yeah, sorry, I'm so awkward. I haven't filmed in so long. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a good day. Bye. Bye.